I'm here with Ballistic Barbecue and Kosmo Q.
And if you've ever wanted to know how to make poutine, go and follow my boys over at Goûter.
They're gonna show you how to do it right.
Welcome back to the kitchen for the first time ever. Blake?
I'm a little sad.
What?
One of my favorite YouTube creators, Binging for Babish, Andrew Rea, you did not do justice to our poutine. Do you know where we're from?
The Big Q. The only place on the planet where you can buy cheese curds at the convenience store or where you pump gas. They sell cheese at the convenience store in Quebec. That's how much we are about this poutine life. So, today, thank you Babish for your attempt. It was beautiful. But we're going to show you how to do it properly, okay? We got those fries in there.
Yeah.
We got that authentic poutine gravy.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna throw it on the heat, get it nice and hot, because someone didn't let the cheese melt in their video, right? Fries are looking right, and I think it's time to build, man.
Let's do it.
Let's build this. First things first, salt. I'm gonna throw some of these fries in our poutine receptacle over here, and it's kind of like a trough.
I'm getting a little excited here, you know, a little fry.
We got a nice base of fries, and we're gonna put some cheese curds.
Quebec cheese curds.
Oh. Another round of fries.
And make sure the fries are nice and warm. And the melt ratio. That's something that our friend Babish made a little mistake. Ready? Are you ready? Oh, smell that, smell that, smell that.
Oh yeah, that's the real stuff.
Oh yeah.
This looks really good.
Look at that, look at that melt.
The cheese pull. Guys, signing off. Let me know. The homie Lake.
Make sure everyone subscribes and hits that notification bell.